Good morning. This is Rex with OEM. We're going to start a new series called the Morning River Walk. And if you haven't met River, you're going to meet our pup that we've got here at the shop, and we're going to walk through the shop and kind of see what we got going on today. Are you ready to go for a river walk? You sure? You gonna play tug first? That's it. Yep. Oh, yep. We're ready to go for a river walk. Let's go. We got Steve working on a machine here to try and get it upgraded. One of the few upgrades that we're doing. John here working on a Cyclone machine. He's also working on a Derecho. And we're going to work on a red machine. Yes. And we got Colton back here putting some injectors in. We've also got a twister that came in off of a rental. We got to get it cleaned up, ready for another one. We do have a series of machines here that are for rent. Let us know what you need.